One could almost feel that these past few years, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, has been longing for a president that is one with them, especially when it comes to asserting our territorial rights. That is why it was music to the ears of the men and women of the AFP that the president reiterated during his third State of the Nation address, or SONA, that the West Philippine Sea is ours and that we will continue to defend it from those who seek to take it from us. Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
Ang West Philippine Sea ay hindi katang-isip natin lamang. Ito ay atin.
The session hall of the Batasan Pambansa was filled with applause and praise when President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. brought up in his third State of the Nation address the continued assertion by his administration of the country's rights in the West Philippine Sea. He also thanked the sacrifices of the personnel of the Philippine Navy, Philippine Coast Guard, and Filipino fisher folks who watch over the WPS.
Nakakataba ng puso at nakakapagbigay ng espiritu upang ipaglaban ang mga karapatan natin sa ilalim ng makabatas ng pamamaraan at sa ilalim ng pag-iigting ng ating depensa sa ating sarili.
Nagpapasalamat din kami sa pasasalamat ng ating Pangulo at ng ating mga taong bayan dun sa ginagawa po natin sa West Philippine Sea.
For the PCG, by way of yesterday's SONA, the President has brought the importance of the issue in the West Philippine Sea closer to the public.
Etong laban natin na to ay para sa susunod na saling lahi ng Pilipino. This is parang mas tumatak sa mga kababayan nating karaniwang tao, no? Para maintindihan nila na it's not about the legacy of the President, it's not about a fight only for this administration, but this fight will continue and we have to continue doing this.
The President's statement in his SONA coincided after an agreement was struck between the Philippines and China regarding the rotation resupply missions to the BRP Sierra Madre in Ayungin Shoal. No complete details have been publicized yet about the agreement, but it is hoped that through this, escalating tensions seen in the previous rotation resupply missions will be avoided.
Ang pag-uusap na yan, hindi natin isinuko ang ating laban sa West Philippine Sea. Atin pa rin tinitindigan ang sovereignty, sovereign rights, and our jurisdiction, the West Philippine Sea. Kung ano man yung pag-uusap na ilatag ng foreign affairs ng dalawang bansa, ito ay para lamang sa mas mapayapa at mas mababang, mas hindi tensyonado na operasyon sa West Philippine Sea. We expect, we are all hopeful.
In the latest monitoring by the Philippine Navy, the number of Chinese ships in the West Philippine Sea has significantly dipped from over 100. It dropped to 80 this past week. However, China Coast Guard 5901, or the monster ship, remains anchored in Sabina or Escoda Shoal. According to the PCG, it is only 900 meters away from their ship, the BRP Teresa Magbanwa. Since July 3, the monster ship has been in Escoda Shoal. There are also two other China Coast Guard ships that conducted intrusive patrols near El Nido, Palawan. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.